Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I will show you the options menu. Let's start the app. You can open the options menu by clicking on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. The list of menu items I divided into two categories, settings and general. In the settings section we have emojis per row and shortcuts per row. With the first one you can set how many emojis you want to display in a row when you select an icon for your shortcut. You see the current value in the bracket. Let's test it out. When you click on the emojis per row menu item, the app will jump to the select icons tab, and in the bottom of the screen you can choose a number between 6 and 10, which is a number of emojis per row. The current selection is highlighted in blue. You can change the number by simply clicking on another number, and as a result the emojis per row will change. With the cancel button you will return to the My Shortcuts tab, and when you open the options menu you will see that the emojis per row setting was not changed. Let's do it again, but this time let's click the OK button. Now you see in the bracket that the emojis per row setting was changed. The next one is shortcuts per row. This is similar to the previous one, but for your shortcuts. Here you can choose between 3 and 6. In the general section, the first menu item is the tutorials. When you click on it, it will take you to the tutorial videos on YouTube. As you can see, currently I have two, and this one will be the third one. The next menu item is the report a problem. This one will take you to the official Reddit page of the app, and it will filter the posts using the problem flare or tag, as you can see it here. Currently there are only test posts that I created. I wanted to create this community space for you to share your problems easily. You can also share your problem or bug that you experience with the app by doing a review in the Play Store, but there you can only add one text and rating. Here you can also add screenshots and videos. We can have a trace of conversation, which is not possible in the Play Store. So having a community on Reddit has many advantages. Before you post anything, please have a look first. If someone already posted the same problem that you have, then you can vote on it. The problem or bug which has the most votes will be fixed first, if possible. If you want to create a new post, just click on the icon or the name of the community. Then click on the plus button on the bottom of the screen. Then you can select the type of the post. I will just select the text. Then add your title and your text. I click on the post button, but as you can see, you cannot post yet. You need to select a post flare or tag. This is important to categorize the posts. If you want to report a problem or bug, select the problem post flare. Now you can post your topic. The next menu item is Suggest an Improvement. This once again takes you to the Reddit page of the app. Here you will see the already suggested improvements. Again, I just have test posts at the moment. The ones with the most votes will be implemented first if possible. You can post a new improvement idea similar way as you posted the problem, but in this case select the improvement idea post flare. The next menu item is Ask Anything. Here basically you can post anything that does not fit into the previous two categories. If you have a question like how do I delete a shortcut, or why do I have two shortcuts that lead to the same place when I selected different setting menu items in the select settings tab, I have tried to cover as much as I could with these tutorial videos, but maybe I missed something, so here is your place to ask them. The next menu item is Rate the app. Initially, I wanted to implement an in-app review mechanism. Android has a library for it, but it doesn't work very well at the moment, so I didn't implement it to avoid problems and frustrations on both sides. So this menu item just leads you to the Play Store where you can rate and review the app. The next one is private feedback. This can be very useful. If you click on this menu item and select an email client, it will generate part of the email automatically, as you can see. If you have a problem that is specific to your phone, you can use this feature to send or generate the information about your device. Let's say one of the shortcuts are crashing. Write in the email which setting menu item or create a screenshot, attach it to the email and send it. In the next version of the app, I can remove this setting menu item from your list. I would be happy to correct it, not to remove it, but if it is crashing, then it's due to your phone's manufacturer and there is nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. Usually that's the case, but if you send me a video as well, then I can have a closer look. Please don't delete the automatically generated parts of the email. It's very important for me. Only update the write your subject here and the write your message here parts. The next menu item is About. This one will take you to the description of the app in the Play Store. Here you can have a look at the detailed description of the app. You will be able to see the ratings and reviews here as well. There is none at the moment because this app is not released yet, but you will be able to see the ratings and reviews here. You can also find the developer contact here. And the screenshots. The last options menu item is Donate. The app doesn't have any ads and it's free because I thought this is the best setup. Nobody likes the ads, and due to the huge inequality in the world, not everyone can afford to pay for the apps. The downside is that the only way to cover the expenses, the time we spent with the development and testing, is through donations. This is an experiment for me. If I don't get enough donations, we might stop supporting the app or make it payable. So if you like it and you can afford it, please donate. There are 5 different amounts that you can choose from. Choose a number that you are comfortable with. The amounts are shown in your local currency. If you go through with the transaction and it is successful, declined or cancelled, in any case the app will give you feedback. I will show you. I choose the amount, tap OK, tap Agree. You can select the payment method. You can add your card here or select PayPal as well. I have my card registered, so I just go back and I tap the tap buy button. Processing, and it is done. Here is your feedback. I show you another example when you cancel the transaction. I click donate, OK, agree, and click on the back button. As you can see, the transaction was cancelled. If you don't donate, there will be some messages that will appear from time to time to remind you to donate if you like the app, but you can use the app fully. There is no trial version. There aren't any disadvantages if you don't donate, apart from the messages. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. If you have any further questions, you can post them in the Reddit community. Thank you for watching. Bye!